Good morning, students. So this is time for our moral science class, and we already read the chapter 1. Be loyal. So we already learned that loyalty is faithfulness to others regardless of changing conditions. Loyalty is dedication to specific things or people. We suppress our self-interest to show loyalty. People who are loyal are trustworthy. This story also tells us about these facts, isn't it? Yes. So here, Ekalavya, the Drona's Ekalavya shows his loyalty. Although he know that without his thumb finger, he would never be able to shoot arrow, but to obey his guru, he don't deny. He cut off his thumb finger without saying any words. And here, Dronacharya also showed her loyalty to his showed his loyalty, to his favorite student Arjuna. Although he knew that Ekalavya is better than Arjuna, but to keep his promise, Dronacharya asked Ekalavya's thumb finger as Guru Dakshina, so that he would never be able to shoot arrow and Arjuna remain number 1. So this is loyalty. Okay, and now today I'll give you some question answers on this chapter and also discuss the exercise in this book. Firstly, I am discussing the exercise of this book. Okay, here is the exercise. Number A, fill in the blanks to learn to be loyal. Here are some options: talk, steal, gossip, wrong, bad, rumors. We have to choose the options from here to write the sentence properly. Number 1, don't dash behind people's backs. Don't talk behind people's backs. Number 2, don't spread rumors. Number 3, don't engage in harmful gossip. Number 4, don't ask a friend to do anything wrong. Number 5, don't lie, cheat or steal to get what you want. Number 6, don't ask anyone to do anything bad. Okay, so this is fill in the blanks to learn to be loyal. Okay, we always should maintain these sentences in our life too. And here is some questions. I'm telling you the questions are the list. Now you know that here is some writings about the Aung San Suu Kyi. Here is writing: Aung San Suu Kyi learnt loyalty and duty towards the Burmese people from her father Aung San, who helped to achieve independence for Burma in the 20th century. In the late 1980s, Aung San Suu Kyi, Kye, but the pronunciation is Chi, Aung San Suu Kyi, became the leader of the Burmese National League for Democracy but was imprisoned. By the end of 2006, she had spent over 10 years under house arrest. She has been loyal to her country and its people and believes. We must all understand that there is great merit in sacrificing for others, and that by doing so we live the full life. This is her important quote. Okay, now you should learn the glossary. Here is the meaning of the words. Okay, and next write true for T for true and F for false statement. Number 1, Ekalavya was a brave boy who was loved by all. It is true. Number 2, Dronacharya was a great tutor of archery. True. Ekalavya's ambition was very easy to achieve. False. Ekalavya searched for Drona and he found him under a tree. True. Ekalavya left the Gurukul, but his ambition to learn archery as strong as ever. True. Next, fill in the blanks. Ekalavya wanted to become a disciple of Dronacharya. Dronacharya was the great tutor of archery in Hastinapur. Ekalavya set on his way for Drona's Gurukul. He saw his disciples participating with their bows and arrows. Next, Dash reached the forest and made the statue of Dash. Ekalavya reached the forest and made the statue of Dronacharya. Okay. Now please, this is your project work. You should do it in your own. Here is write L for loyal and DL for disloyal for the given situations. You read the total carefully and then write L for the loyal and DL for the disloyal, and write down the effect of Ashoka's behavior on each person. And you do read this carefully and answer all these questions. This is your project work. Learn through activity. Remember, this is your project work. Okay. Now I am telling you the question answers on this chapter. The questions are here. Answer the following questions. What is loyalty? Give an example. Loyalty is the faithfulness to others. It is the dedication and devotion to specific thing or people. An example of loyalty is how a true citizen feels about his or her country. Next, question 2. What does it mean to be loyal to someone? Answer. Loyalty is the quality of staying firm in your friendship, faithfulness to elders or respected persons in our life, or support for someone or something. Question number 3. Why should we be loyal to others? Loyalty is an important value. It requires patience and generosity. Loyalty is the ability of ourselves to stick with our family, friends, neighbors, and others around us in their good times as well as bad times. This value makes our society a good one. Next, who is Aung San Suu Kyi? Write 2 sentences about her. Aung San Suu Kyi is a human rights activist, Nobel Peace Prize winner, and the current state councillor of Myanmar. Previously it was Burma, now it is Myanmar. She brought democracy to her country with non-violence. Okay. Next, question 5. What is the famous quote of Aung San Suu Kyi? Answer. Aung San Suu Kyi has been loyal to her country and its people and believes we must, and believes what is her famous quote? We must all understand that there is great merit in sacrificing for others, and that by doing so we live the full life. So these are the questions from the part loyalty. What is loyalty? What you understand by loyalty? And this is the question. These are the questions from the story. Okay. Answer the following in short. Name the mythological book from where the story of Ekalavya taken. The story of Ekalavya was taken from the mythological book Mahabharata. Who was Ekalavya? Ekalavya was the son of a tribal chief in the forest of the kingdom Hastinapur more than 5,000 years ago. What was Gurukul? In early age, there were no schools, colleges or universities. Students lived with their teacher or guru at Gurukul. Why Dronacharya refused to accept Ekalavya as disciple? Dronacharya refused Ekalavya due to his lower caste. Question 5. How did Ekalavya show loyalty to his guru when he refused to teach him? When Ekalavya refused by his guru, he made a statue of Dronacharya in the forest. He did this because he faithfully believed that if he practiced before his guru, he would become an able archer. Question 6. How did Ekalavya show his guru his loyalty when he asked him for Guru Dakshina? Since Ekalavya had learnt lessons from him, Dronacharya expected him to give him Guru Dakshina. Therefore, he asked Ekalavya to donate his thumb, and without thinking for a while, Ekalavya cut off his right thumb and laid at Drona's feet. So these are the answers, and you all read that total story carefully. Because of that, from there the questions may be fill in the blanks or true false questions from every line of the story. So read the story carefully and remember it. Okay, so that's all for today's class, and bye till our next class.